government in the manifesto has talked about universal health coverage. So therefore, fleshing out the real policy of how they want to do this universal health coverage over a period of time. Apart from that, increasing the overall outlay, and also looking at creating the right policy for medical devices to bring down the cost of technology, and also looking at providing funding to private enterprise at a slightly reduced cost. So I think these are fundamental issues for building a healthcare structure, and some guidelines on these would definitely help in the long run. In healthcare, I think in the basic, this healthcare private sector has got developed over the last 10 years. So what do you need to develop this sector is primarily, one is right technology, so that you can give right delivery at the right cost, right manpower and right capital. So if you see that today most of the technology in the country is imported, so that brings up the cost as the dollar goes up and the new technologies get developed. The second is the number of professionals available in the country have to go up, otherwise the cost of getting that professional goes up. And the third is easy availability of funding. So I am sure as the days go by, when we look at all these three, we will be able to provide affordable healthcare at right cost and right places if these three are fundamentally looked after in terms of policy. These are three platforms on which it will happen. One is appropriate funding. So if the funding comes at right cost, the manpower is adequately available, and it is at the right price. And third, medical devices, which are the most important one, either in terms of technology or implants, both. If they are either indigenously developed or technologies are made in a way that there are plants here and the costs come down there, then the overall cost of the delivery will come down. Eye care, see, overall incidence of eye care is around 50% of the people need eye care. Today, 10% of people more than 60 years need cataract. There is a backlog of 60 lakh of cataract today, which is there in places like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and slightly backward states. There is a difference between states like Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh, where the number of cases that are getting done, there's a dramatic difference. So, there is a 50% of the people who have blindness is avoidable by either cataract or giving spectacles or looking after glaucoma or their retina. And I think India is doing a great job in terms of preventable blindness. Looks like that the load will come down dramatically over the next 3 to 5 years. And the competence which is available today in India of surgical competence is world class. When we compare and benchmark our competence versus China, I think we are far ahead, at least in eye care. So going forward in the next 5 to 10 years, I think today also we are most modern, so we can compare ourselves with the best of the countries in terms of technology and doctors. Going forward in the next 5 to 10 years, I feel, at least in eye care, we will be setting benchmarks.